It's a Stitch Fix day, and I chose the items in this box, and there's more than 5. So if you want to see what I chose, keep watching. Hey fashion friends, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. My name is Andrea, and I am a fashion lover. I like to do clothing subscription unboxings, shopping hauls, try-ons. If you like that kind of content, then I invite you to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and that way you'll always know when I put out a new video. If you like this video, please give me the like, leave me a comment. All those things help me grow my channel, and I do truly appreciate it. And I want to thank you for taking time out of your day to watch my video. So I'm pretty sure everybody knows what Stitch Fix is. They send you a preview, and they have been letting you choose up to 8 items, and I chose 6. Usually I only choose like 1 or 2, so that was unusual. And you have a dedicated stylist. My stylist name is Marsha, and she's wonderful. If you saw my last video, you know that there was some drama with my last fix, but move past that. So they send you an envelope to send back the things that you don't want. One of the things that I chose was jewelry, and then 5 clothing items, blues and purples. All right, let's unbundle it. I always edit that part out because I know the rustling paper can be pretty obnoxious. And Lucy came in to say hello. So Lucy is my kitty, and she always likes to come in when I'm filming videos. All right. So I like what the colors, I like what I'm feeling. And these are a pair of earrings by Ralph Lauren. And they're like this blue crystal square. Those are cute. Okay. I like blue, it's my favorite color, so I have a lot of blue clothes and a lot of blue earrings. All right, please don't claw. First up, we have got, by Thread for Thoughts, Stacey V-neck feather fleece tunic sweatshirt. I believe this was a saved item. So they have, you know, freestyle where you can go in and favorite things, save them, something like that. And your stylist can see that, and she can sometimes send you those items. So nice length. If you've been watching my videos, you know I've been looking for tunic length outfits, and I did find one. And then we have got a black and white Market & Spruce Kris short sleeve V-neck tee. So this is just kind of a plain tee, the V-neck, which I prefer, and black and white stripes. And then we have got from 41 Hawthorn, we have got the Garcelle soft square fitted rib short sleeve knit top. I'm not usually a fan of square necks, but I liked the color of this and just wanted to see how it was gonna look. Now, when you choose more than 5 items from your preview, generally they tell you that they will give you the 25% discount if you keep 5. You don't have to choose, you don't have to keep everything that you chose. Does that make sense? Okay, then we've got a dress in this pretty blue color, and this is by Market & Spruce. It is the Ravyn dress, and I believe I have this in black, and I really like it in black. And that actually would have been a good dress for the baby shower. It's pretty long. I'll have to look at the black one, but I'm pretty sure this is the same one I have in black, and I do like that dress quite a bit. So that's a nice springier color. And then we have a pair of joggers by Skechers, the elevated jogger. They're calling it light purple. I would call that more of a periwinkle. And there, it's in that scuba material. And the drawstring pockets. You know, it's funny because remember 5 years ago when we were all on lockdown and people were staying in their pajamas all day? I didn't do that. I was a blogger, and I dressed. I tried not to wear jeans or joggers or leggings or things like that. I tried to dress professionally. Not super professionally, but you know, I'd put on nice pants and a sweater. But I have really been getting into more casual dressing since I retired, and especially since I started my quilting business, because when I'm quilting and, you know, moving around on the floor to baste the quilts, I want to be comfortable. So it's kind of funny that I didn't fall prey to that, you know, super casual wear that people were into during lockdown, but now I am. Okay, I will show you my outfit of the day. We'll try these things on. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix yet, I will leave my link below. That will give you $25 off your first fix. That will waive your styling fee, which is normally $20, and then you'll have $25 to put towards clothes. So, all right, let's get to it. Okay, I am pretty casual today. I am wearing these Beyond Yoga joggers in this pretty teal color, and then this is a cashmere sweater by Nordstrom, from Nordstrom. The joggers were from Nordstrom as well, and just my Uggs. So that's what I'm wearing today. Let me come up and read the note to you. Okay, Marcia says, thank you for returning for your 111th fix. I'm thrilled you loved the fix preview and found so many pieces to get excited about. The light purple Threads for Thought V-neck fleece tunic was in your saved item, so I hope that works with leggings. The light blue Skechers joggers will pair effortlessly with a white sweatshirt or the striped tee from Market and Spruce in this fix. For a touch of elegance, the blue Ralph Lauren stone drop earrings are excuse me, a stunning accessory that will elevate any outfit, including the blue Market and Spruce dress you selected. If you have not yet found the perfect shower dress, this could be the one. I hope these items bring joy to your wardrobe. Let me know how everything works out and if there's anything specific you would like to see in your next fix. So I did find a dress for the shower that I quite like, and you have seen that dress and you all liked it too. So, and there was drama around it. So let's start trying clothes on. So here is the dress, and I love it. It is so comfortable. I love the movement. It's very flowy. It's got pockets. I know some people love that. It's got, this actually does have kind of a square neckline. It's bra friendly. That's from the back. Would look really good with those earrings. It would be a good dress for the shower. A little more casual than the one that I chose, the Calvin Klein dress. But this is just could wear this dress for so many things. To go out for brunch, to meet a friend for lunch, running errands. A dress like this, I looked at the black one, and this I believe is 41 Hawthorn, and that one is Market and Spruce. Both of those I believe are in-house Stitch Fix brands. I mean, it looks identical to me. One thing, I'm looking down and yeah, I guess the seam's going straight. Kind of looks like it's off to the side a little bit. One thing I like dresses like this for, I wore the black one traveling. It was a great travel dress. And it's also great for shopping, like when I go clothes shopping, because I can pull it down and I'm not putting things over my head so often, because that really trashes my hair. So this is the dress again. Love it. And we'll see what the price is, but this is definitely a contender. All right, let's keep going. Okay, this is the Tunic sweatshirt, and it is super cozy. I paired it with some purple leggings, and they're different shades of purple. So I think it would be okay though. Come up a little closer. What do you think? Do you think those colors can be worn together? Okay, let me adjust the camera. So, very cozy, sweatshirt material. It does have thumb holes, and I am not on team thumb hole. It has little slits here. If I pull it down, it covers my bum, covers the front. But if I start moving around it all, like walking, it kind of eases up, and then you can see my bum. So I'm unsure about it between the thumb holes. Why do they? I must not have seen that when I favorited it, because I do not like thumb holes. It irritates this area, and this, if I tuck the cuff in, that looks a little weird. Really soft and cozy though. Yeah, I mean, it definitely lifts up, and then you can see my bum, and when I'm wearing leggings, I definitely want that covered. What do you think of this? I'm thinking that even though it is so soft and cozy, I probably will not keep it because of the way it kind of moves up, and I don't like the thumb holes. But sure is pretty color, and it is super, super soft. Let's keep going. Okay, we're going to start up close, talk about the top. It is just a plain V-neck black and white t-shirt. It's pretty closely fitted. It has little slits on the side. It's fine. I feel like I used to have a black and white t-shirt, and I think I got rid of it. I feel like maybe it was looser. Anyway, I mean, it's fine. Nothing really special about it. Good basic. I did open my drawer to see if I still had the black and white t-shirt, and my short sleeve drawer is like bursting. So I may have to make the rule that I'm only going to add short sleeves if there's something really unique or special about it. I don't know. I'll wait and see how much this is, because a nice black and white t-shirt's great layering piece. Yeah, I'm going to back up so we can talk about these pants. And you'll see why I'm laughing. So these are like grandpa pants. They come up super high. Where's my belly button? My belly button's like way down here. So they're really high. They're really baggy. They're small. They're very long. They're just, I like the material, love the color, but these are a no. These just look ridiculous. All right, let's keep going. So this is that burgundy top. I just put my teal joggers on. I know these don't go together, but it's got the square neck. It's got the longer sleeves, and it is this pretty burgundy color. It is a very fine rib knit, and Lucy's coming back to let me know she wants me to feed her. Shh. I'm not loving the square neck. I'm also not loving the longer length of the sleeve. It is fitted, bodycon. You would wear it with jeans or whatever. It's nothing special. Like I said, I have so many short sleeve shirts that I feel like if I'm going to add to my wardrobe, it has to be something unique or special, or I have to love it. And this is okay. It's okay. All right, let's do prices and a recap. So that was a really good box. Of course, I picked it all out. So I would like everything. So I'm going to tell you the price of each one, but I will tell you that the Stylist Pick subtotal is $268. So for all 6 pieces, it's $268, which I think is pretty reasonable when you think about what was in here. If you buy 5, it says buy 5 plus discount 25%. So that's off all 6 items. That would take off $67, which would bring it down to $201, which I'm not going to keep everything, but I feel like that would be a really good deal, and I might have to do some math. So the thread for thought, Stacey V-neck feather fleece tunic sweatshirt is the most expensive thing in the box. It's $65. And I felt like it wasn't quite long enough. Didn't like the thumb holes, but I like this shirt. It's like really soft. I think it's this really pretty color. And if I ended up keeping 5 things, it wouldn't be 65. Stitch Fix math. Okay. Next up, we have the Market and Spruce Kris short sleeve V-neck t-shirt in black and white, and this is $19. So I think that's, I think that's a reasonable price for just a very basic tee, which I said I had to, if I'm going to add anything. Okay, and then the joggers, Skechers joggers, these are $44, which I think is a good price. They just looked absurd. And then we have got the Market and Spruce Ravyn dress, and this is $49, which I think is a really good price. This is a really nice dress. Love the color. I'm gonna keep this. I am gonna keep this. And then we have got the Ralph Lauren Eloise stone earrings. These are $42, which is, for costume jewelry, that seems a little pricey to me. I'm trying to decide if they're too big. I have a pair of blue earrings that are pretty large, and I don't wear them that often, but they are bigger than this. So here, let me take out the earring I have. I'm not going to put the earrings in, but I just want to put it up there. Those are cute. I'm on the fence about them. And then the 41 Hawthorn Garcelle soft squared fitted ribbed in purple is $49. So I'm not gonna get taken in by, if I kept 5 things, I think I'm going to keep the dress and maybe the earrings. The dress for sure. The dress for sure. All right, so that was my 111th fix. I never know if that number is accurate because I had 2 fixes that were sent to me that I never received. But I guess I'm back together with Stitch Fix. I'm still annoyed about how that price match thing was handled, but need to let it go and move on. So love this dress. This is how I want to feel about things. I want to feel like I love it. It's a great price. It looks great. It's yeah, so keeping this for sure. Not sure about the earrings, and everything else is going to go back, because although I like the tunic, 65 is a little high for basically a sweatshirt. And there were things about it that I didn't like. Okay, let me know what you thought. Leave me a comment below. And if you get Stitch Fix, how are your fixes? How's it going? And how's the weather where you are? This is the time of year when the weather can be really schizophrenic in Colorado. Last week we had high 70s for several days. It was gorgeous. And then we had a cold, rainy weekend, and we may get snow next weekend. So it's that time of year where anything goes. All right, fashion friends, thank you for watching, and don't forget to dress like you mean it.